I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry masala. Creating your own spice blend at home is incredibly rewarding, offering fresh, vibrant flavors unmatched by store-bought options. We'll go through each step, from selecting the perfect whole spices to the final grinding, ensuring you can easily replicate this aromatic blend in your kitchen. Get ready to elevate your cooking with this foundational Indian spice mix. To begin, selecting fresh whole spices is crucial for a truly flavorful curry masala. You'll need about 1/2 cup of coriander seeds, 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds, and 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds. Don't forget a few cinnamon sticks, 10 green cardamom pods, and a handful of dried red chilies for that perfect balance of warmth and subtle heat. These foundational ingredients will form the heart of your blend. The magic truly happens during the dry roasting process. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan over low to medium heat and add your whole spices, roasting them individually. Stir constantly for about 3 to 5 minutes until they become wonderfully fragrant and slightly change color. This step awakens their essential oils, intensifying their flavors. Remember, never burn the spices, as this can introduce an undesirable bitter note to your masala. Once your roasted spices have cooled completely, it's time for the final step, grinding. Transfer them to a spice grinder or a powerful blender and process until you achieve a very fine, smooth powder. This ensures an even distribution of flavor in your dishes. For optimal freshness, store your homemade curry masala in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. It will retain its potent aroma and flavor for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.